What's cracking, everybody? I got an unboxing for you guys today. This is the AMS-119 Geara Doga, a suit featured in Char's Counterattack and the Unicorn Gundam anime. So if you are curious about what this kit contains, please stick around and I'll show you what to expect. First things first, we have the Geara Doga's box art depicting the war scene on Axis in the animated movie Char's Counterattack, where we have this suit and the Sazabi go up against the Earth Federation mobile suits. This is one of the cooler box arts out there. You got the Sazabi, the Geara Doga, and a bunch of Yigins just going at it. On the upper right hand corner, we have the Mastergrade and Universal Century logo. Do not mind the poor attempt at removing a price tag. On the lower right hand corner, we have the blue Bandai logo. So this kit in particular was one of the later runs of this kit. On the right hand side of the box, we have a front and back view of the kit fully assembled, with some screenshots in the anime. We also have images of the decals, the pilot, the detailed inner frame, and its selection of weapons. On the left side, we have articulation, gimmicks, as well as a preview image of it with the LED light, though this kit does not come with it. And of course, the obligatory legal and warning labels. And also we have a snippet of the box art on the top and bottom sides of the box. Now, opening this box up, we are greeted with some instructions on how to go about building a Gunpla model. You can pause it here if you want to read it. And you see, you get a whole lot of parts with this kit. And of course, our manual. This kit was released in 2013, so it still has this style of manual print. Notice the Bandai logo here is red. And it's got that colored stone print. Going over the manual, we have some preview images of the kit as well as a schematic. The manual is entirely in Japanese, but you should be able to get a clear direction through the pictures alone. This kit comes with a total of 17 runners, 2 of which are unique to this kit, being the rubber tubes and 1 set of polycaps. You also get a sheet of dry transfers and 2 small sheets of stickers. We'll get to that later. Partway through the manual, we have info on the kit as well as pictures of other suits from the Char's Counterattack anime. We also have a painting guide and pictures of the inner frame as well as LED installation. And on the last page, we have the decal guide. And on the back of the manual, we have a preview of the kit fully assembled. Moving on to the decals, we have a sheet of dry transfers. These are numbers to choose from as well as Xeon logos. You also get a sheet of stickers for warning labels and the mono eye. And lastly, a tiny sheet of reflective stickers for the gun sights and whatnot. Now let's go over the runners. Runner A has a lot going on with it. You got gray, red, and clear parts as well as beam effect parts. We then have numerous runners for the armor. This one in particular also has the pilot figures. A lot of the runners come in this nice green color. And the other armor pieces come in this darker green tone. And then we get gray for the inner frame parts. As you can see, you can get a good amount of detail just from looking at the parts on the runners alone. And you can also notice that you get a lot of hand and finger options here. This runner is for the shield and guns, so it looks like assembling these will be pretty simple and straightforward. We then have yellow runners for the thrusters. And of course, polycaps I mentioned earlier. Pro tip, do not paint these with lacquer paints. And what's unique to this kit are these soft rubbery tubes that line the arms, waist, and legs. And right here is what you get when the suit is fully built out of the box. I have a review of this kit coming up, and we'll take a closer look at its features, accessories, and everything in between. I hope this unboxing has been informative and helpful to you in one way or another, and if you like this content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Have a great one, and I will see you next time.